Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Josh Ingram, Colchin Automotive here. Got a special guest I'd like to introduce today. Ladies and gentlemen, please say hi to Colin Keel.
Woo! How we doing? How we doing?
What I'd like to do is just kind of introduce you to Mr. Colin here. So, Colin, where are you from?
I grew up out in Northern California. Been living in Colorado the last 20 years. I'm loving it ever since. You know, just anything the state's got to throw at me or offer, I'm all about.
Very cool. Well, we're super excited to have you here. What do you do for fun?
Well, anything outside: mountain bike, ski, golf, frisbee golf, anything out in the sun or under the sun. You know, working on cars is a good hobby of mine. So I'm proud to be here as part of the Colchin Automotive family to further my career and advance my knowledge.
Beautiful segue in. Colin, what the heck are you doing here?
That's a great question, Josh. Still working on figuring out the exact details. I'm going to be the new service advisor here, so I'll be at the front desk if you ever need anything, questions answered on your car. I'm here to help, as well as further my own career and knowledge in anything automobile.
Ladies and gentlemen, Colin Keel, call the man. Get your oil changed. 303-431-5421. See us!